Hello everyone, Simon here from CreativeTradingSystem.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. The week started on the 2nd, June 2nd. So this is the first trade from 500 bucks as gold, right? So sometimes I'm using these 500, I'm making the entry from 500 as well if it is a proper setup. If it is the opposite, from the extension, then I wait for the 200 entry. But if it is the setup, 500 setups are very, very good. So you can see here, right there, right? So beautiful setup, and then EA took the entry, and 350 pip here. Buy orders right there where the yellow mark is, and then you can see that the SL is moved to break even plus. Right, as soon as it goes a little bit, SL initially is like 25 pip. Gold is different, but the Forex pairs initially always hard SL is always 25 pip. And when once the price goes like 25, 30 pip positive, my SL comes and sit on a break even automatically. And after that, I close my trade usually manually, but you can set up the target in this EA. This EA is 100% automatic, but you cannot leave it for 24 hours all the time. No. After the analysis and after maybe especially after the news, when the things start to move, then you place this EA in the direction, either make it short only or long only on that side, right? So this is how it works. So now this is the first one. The second one, let's go take a look at this pound USD 7-minute chart. You can see that this was all messed up here, and all of a sudden it goes to the upside, boom. And what happened? USD got weaker. Simple as that, right? So news came out, it went up, came down, beautiful setup, and then gone. So again, the same thing. You watch the news, and as soon as that this thing goes to the upside or down, whatever, and immediately place this EA there, and then it takes the trade, right? So this is the second one. Is the third one is the USD yen. Beautiful entry by the book, right? This was the entry as well, but this is the one. It took its 125 pip all the way down straight line on the second as well, right? And then on the second, this is Euro USD, just like Pound USD, right? Went up, nice entry, and then gone with the win for 75 pip. This one, Nasdaq, 220 pip. It went up there, then couldn't make the lower low, right? Then it made the higher high. So then again, it got stopped here and then gave the reversal candle. So there was an EA placed, and boom, it took there, right? So this is for 220 points, right? Buy orders right there. Now this one, beautiful entry by the book, Euro USD for 95 pip on the second as well. On the second, pound Aussie, beautiful entry. This was another entry, but my EA is like, if I have an entry already, then my EA do not open the second or third or fourth. It's just one trade at a time. And even manually, I don't do that, right? That, complicate things. So now this is gold going down here. This is the entry, 145 pip to the downside on the third. And Nasdaq continue going to the upside, and that's 225 pip again, right? The first one was this one I just showed you, and then this is another one going to the upside. On the fourth USD yen, beautiful entry here from the 7-minute chart, and 95 pip to the downside. Right? Yeah, this drama, happens all the time. The price retrace, move away from these EMAs, then come back towards EMA, then move away from the retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Right? This is how we build. We make the trend in any direction. Right? So let me see. Next is pound USD from 7-minute chart, entry 50 pip. And pound yen, just like pound USD yen, this one also went down on the fourth. Nice, beautiful entry, and 110 pip here. Euro yen 7-minute entry, and then all the way down to 75 pip. CAD yen was getting strong, right? So all yen pair went down. So this is all, this is to the downside here for 50 pip. And then gold again coming down, and then it started to retrace, and then it went up. I missed most of the move because it didn't make the gave me the entry. Usually supposed to be getting in here somewhere, but it went all the way up there and then came down a little bit, and finally gave me the entry. EA took the trade, 160 pip. This one, a euro yen 7-minute chart, beautiful entry by the book, buy orders right there, and it is for 105 pip. On the 5th, pound yen, again, I missed this one, but it was, yellow, a little bit below the black. That's why I didn't open the trade. And this one, yellow, went above the, this black line, the yellow line, and then now it opened the trade here for 65 per pound yen. The Aussie yen, again, now yen is getting weaker now, and all yen pair turning to the upside. That's what happened. If you watch the yen index, I always watch the yen index, and it gives me the heads up that what is going to happen. For example, let me show you if I have here, think I just made the chart, and I'm going to watch that. For example, this is a yen index chart, right? And this is what happened. So yen index went up, was getting weaker, so all yen pair went up. Now it is at a station, that what I call it station. It's a strong, it's at a level where maybe it's going to stop and make a turn. So this is nice, kind of like a harmonic pattern called Gertley, right? So X, A, B, C, D. This is 78%, then 23%, and then it goes to 78%, and then react from there. So the reaction, it is a bearish Gertley. That's why I call this Biga. Biga means bearish Gertley. Right, so if we stop, if still, again, it doesn't matter how many patterns are there, what kind of Elliott wave you have. It's just very solid, looking like a gold mine and all of that, and then it can go the other way, right? So be very careful. You must have a confirmation. So on a smaller time frame, on a 10-minute or 15-minute chart, I will see that if I can get a reversal candle on this, so that will be a heads up that we might be able to go down from there. And then if we go down, what will happen? Most yen pairs will be going down as well. So this is what I'm expecting, right? So this is how I always do. If this is going to the upside, I look for long, and whenever I get long, that's it. You make the entry. Anyway, so let's go back to this. See, it was going to the upside, long, long, long. Nice entry here, entry here, entry here. But anyway, 55 pip. This one, gold going down, beautiful entry here, all the way to 230. And similarly, this is Omer trade. Well, that was my entry, but I told him that the gold is going down. So I said, okay. So he took this one, and for 170 pip. Right, and this one, you see, like I said, your yen was getting weaker, so all yen went up, yen pairs, and this is 65 pips from 7-minute chart, euro yen. And on again, this is the last trade, gold on the 6th, and it went down. Now I made the chart, and this is not the last one. This is the last, is this CAD, I guess, right? And another one we have Aussie yen. So yen was continuing going to the upside, and these two also going to the upside. Right? This is for 50 pip. CAD yen is for 70 pip. But let's talk about this gold. Right? We were here somewhere when I made this chart as a 4-hour chart, and then I even made a video quickly that this might be happening in gold. Right? So wave 4 supposedly be finishing here, and then we're supposed to go up for wave 5, and we were here. So I made the chart, I made the video that I will be expecting an up move to go to the upside. But what happened? Again, like I said, that today, not today, yesterday, it was Friday, and especially it was the NFP Friday. NFP means there's non-farm payroll news, right? That news supposedly the most influential news, the strong news, red news, very, very strong, and it affects the whole market for the rest of the month, basically. That's the idea, at least, right? So USD gets either weak or or strong and set up the direction for the rest of the month, and then next month, the first Friday of the month, news comes out, right? So what happens is that after that, things start to move. If the news is like either worse than expected or better than expected, then the things start to move. Gold is measured usually in mainly in USD. So if USD news comes out good, then what happened? USD get strong. Now look at this here, the news USD at news at 8:30 in the morning. This is non-farm, and expectation was 126,000, came out 139,000. So it was better than expected, right? If you click here, then you will read here that actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So actual is more or better than the forecast. Forecast was 126, actual came out 139. So USD got stronger. And as soon as it got stronger, gold started to drop. I was expecting that it would go up, but after the NFP, the reaction, obviously the reaction has to be the opposite side, right? So, and then remember, before the NFP, the previous night, nothing moves, right? Everybody is just sitting and waiting, for this news to come out. And after that, if this comes like in variation, right? Better than expected or worse than expected, then things start to move. And then another characteristic of this NFP Friday is that if things start to move after NFP, they will go in the same direction until the day is ended. They're not going to make this direction change after that. So NFP sets up the direction early in the morning around 8:30, 9 o'clock. And whatever the direction you catch, don't close the trade until the end, right? Use the SL, but the idea is that it will not make the turn again. So gold started to drop, and till the end, it was dropping. Everything just going in the direction. It started to go up, then it is keep going to the upside. Whenever it started to go down, it was just going down until the end. So that's what happened. So let's take a look. 8:30, this news came out. So 8:30 means, let me show you where the trade that I had, this one, right? And I took this entry because it refuses to go to the upside. Here, I was watching, it's like it's going up and then dropping, going up and then dropping. So I was watching actually on the 200 box size chart. 8:30 means the broker time 15:30. So let's take a look. Where is 15:30? Right. So I marked that. I don't know. Let me see. 15:30 is right there. See this little wick? Okay, that's where the NFP came out. What do you see here? It's bearish, right? Every time you try to go up and then coming down. Everything is staying below the wave. The wave is staying below the red line. So it's all bearish, bearish, bearish. So up until here, and then you have this 1540, and then you have 1545. Then you have, it's still there. I mean, I was expecting that, man, let's go up, man. This is 1600, and then this one again here. It's 1620. Finally, I said, what the hell with it? It's not going to the upside, and let's go short. So here I went short. That's the trade that you can see. So, you see right there. After this, it started to drop, and this is where I opened the trade, just below this. What was the number here? SNR level, it's 53, 33.53, right? So from there, all the way down, 390 pips. Right, that's why. So I got a couple of emails that I said that it's gonna go up, but what happened? So this is what happened. NFP happened, right? So it doesn't matter what we think, but market will do whatever it is pushed for, wherever it is pushed for, right? So NFP pushed it to the downside. Nobody knew that what the number is gonna come out in NFP, right? Similarly, GDP, CPI, all of those, PPI. All those news, until they are out, nobody knows what the number is going to come out. But the thing is that as soon as it comes out, and if you read that it's better than expected, that means that currency is going to get stronger. And obviously, if USD, let's say, is getting stronger, then what's going to happen to pound USD, euro USD? They will go down. USD CAD, USD yen, they will go up. So all you got to do is watch the chart, and then as soon as it goes and then become bullish over the, and then give you the long setup, take it, right? So obviously you cannot do more than maybe a couple of those activities, right? That's why I created the EA. And as soon as I see the news, I make that EA, I put it on the charts, maybe 5, 6, 7, whatever, and activate. So if I have like 3 setups or 4 setups, sometimes 5 setups, sometimes even 7, all 7 pair give me the entry, and then E8 takes the trade. Simple as that. All right, so this is it for now. It's 4:20 a.m. Very, very sleepy. So if you like what you saw, you want to understand or get the system and learn the system, and then you get to that EA, that expert advisor, the robot that opens the trade. If you want to get it, it's now available in the monthly subscription. So go on my website and take it from there. All right. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, because we're going to go over gold, what's happening. It went down, right? Instead of going to the upside. So now what? What is the next new setup? So I'll make the video tomorrow for gold as well as, and the USD as well. A separate video for USD. What the heck is happening? It is about to make the turn now, anytime to the upside. So we need to be ready for that, right? And then obviously Nasdaq will react soon. All right. So this is it for now, and have a wonderful weekend.